loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the owl.
Peck Peck the Woodpecker is playing with his favorite little penguin. The toy penguin is crying.
Huh?
Hello, Hop Hop.
Huh? Hello? Who's crying here?
It's the toy baby. Will you help calm him down?
Oh. Oh.
Let's try rocking him. There we go. Hop Hop's doing really well. Peck Peck, where are you going? Wow! The woodpecker has found a toy stroller. Let's go. They can take the penguin for a walk in the stroller. What's that? Warm clothes and a bottle. Oh! Peck Peck, that's a toy bottle. It's not for you.
But this is for you.
The toy penguin is drinking the water and closing its eyes. Let's go for a walk. Hop Hop doesn't have time for a walk. He needs to make the baby penguin's lunch.
Hop. Hop.
He needs a pan and a ladle. The stove. A cup of oats and a chef's hat.
Whoa.
Let's pretend the oatmeal is going to be made out of colorful beads. Let's turn on the stove and stir the oatmeal.
Hey, tasty. Peck Peck, oatmeal's ready. Hey!
Quick! It's lunchtime for the baby penguin.
What?
Let's put the oatmeal in a bowl.
Enjoy your oatmeal. All done? Let's go outside.
The birds have decided to push the baby penguin down the slide.
Let's go.
Hop Hop will catch the baby at the end. Got him! Now you, Peck Peck. It's so fun playing together, isn't it?
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. Hello, Hop Hop.
Hi!
Careful! A piece of the toy track fell out of the motorcycle. It's such a beautiful butterfly. Oh! Peck Peck caught it with his net. Are you going to let the butterfly go? Good job! This is a piece of the track. Hop Hop dropped it. Do you want to play? Do you want to make a slide? That won't work. For it to be a slide, we need to put this on something. Yes! A rock will do. Great! Peck Peck is too big for the slide, but something small can ride on it. A blackberry? Let's try. It worked! But you know, Peck Peck, real berries are not a toy. Oh, where did the blackberry go? Your sweet berry has been taken by an ant. It's carrying it to an anthill.
Let's go play! Let's go play!
Hop Hop calls Peck Peck over to help build a toy track. Let's go, birds! Let's unload the motorcycle. There are so many parts.
That's all!
Good job! Now you need to connect the parts properly to make a track for the cars. It's almost ready. We'll put a bridge in. Up. And a wheel. Where are you going, Hop Hop? Stop! Peck Peck, this slide is too small for you. It's for toy cars. Look! Hop Hop brought a cart full of toys. Let's find a car. Here it is.
3, 2, 1, go!
The car sped away and stopped.
Push it!
Peck Peck did. Peck Peck found a driver. A yellow rubber duck will drive the car. The birds love playing together. Should we play some more?
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little Hop Hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the Owl.
Hello, Hop Hop. Are you playing peekaboo again?
Hello!
Hop Hop's a polite little owl. He never forgets to say hello. Hello, Peck Peck. What's in your bucket?
Mushrooms! Eh?
Peck Peck is very busy. He's found some toy mushrooms. Shall we play? Oh, the mushrooms toppled over. What's in that blue box?
Huh? They're toys!
Shall we see what kind?
Huh?
A plate. You can put the mushrooms onto the plate. What's Hop Hop looking for now? It's a meadow for the mushrooms.
Eh?
Little birds, let's stand the mushrooms up. One, two, three. Look, there's more space for the mushrooms in the meadow. Peck Peck's decided to look for some mushrooms near his house. I can't see any mushrooms. I suppose that means we can ride down the slide. Let's go! Oh, Peck Peck. There are 3 whole mushrooms here. Hop Hop's come with a basket, like a real mushroom picker. Let's go and hunt some treasure.
1, 2, 3.
We've gathered those mushrooms. Shall we look for some more?
Huh?
Pay attention now. That mushroom was hidden beneath the leaf.
Huh?
That mushroom's got a ladybug on it. Oh, little birds! Another mushroom! With a lilac cap and a leaf painted on top. Let's put it in the basket, too. There's still one last spot in the meadow. Little spider, have you seen a mushroom? There's a mushroom with a spider on it. All the toys are back where they belong. Peck Peck's not playing anymore. He's got a frying pan. We're having a toy dinner tonight. Fried mushrooms. Dig in, little spider.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! snail.
It's morning. Peck Peck the Woodpecker is coming out of his house. Oh, a butterfly. Peck Peck, you look very smart. Hello! What's down there? It's an abacus. Do you want to play with it? The beads are spinning around. The abacus is making a sound, like a rattle. And how do you use an abacus properly? You don't know? Oh, you'll think of something. Peck Peck is riding on the abacus like a skateboard. And the snail is using the beads as a slide. Peck Peck wants to do it too. Whee! Did you enjoy it? Peck Peck, where are you off to? You want to ride on the beads down a big slide? That's dangerous. Hello, Hop Hop. Quick, save Peck Peck. Oh dear, oh dear! The abacus is broken.
Lots and lots of beads!
Now then, birds, you need to pick them up. 1,
2.
look for some more, birds.
3, 4.
Peck Peck has found a lot of beads. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job, Peck Peck. Oh, the beads have gone everywhere. Let's thread them onto a string. It's ready. Hop Hop has threaded the rest of the beads onto a string.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And where is the 10th bead? Maybe it's behind the fir tree? Hop Hop has found the 10th bead.
Eh?
But so has Peck Peck. That's not a bead. It's a snail. Look, the beads on a thread look like a caterpillar or a worm.
Beads! Abacus!
Time to put the beads back on the abacus. Now you can count something. Berries, for example? Hop Hop has eaten 1 strawberry. 1. Peck Peck has 2 berries. 2. You birds are very good at counting.
loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. This is the house where Peck Peck the Woodpecker lives. Hello, Peck Peck. Oh, the ball has bounced away. Splish splosh into the puddle. Peck Peck has gone in after the ball. He's got all muddy. And now another puddle. Can you see? Peck Peck has muddy stains on his tummy. Oh, look! And on his head, too.
Hi there.
Hi there, Hop Hop. Look how dirty Peck Peck is.
Uh-oh. Time to have a wash.
The little owl is filling the paddling pool with water so Peck Peck can have a wash.
Jump in.
Peck Peck likes having a wash. Hop Hop is playing hide and seek with his friend. But what's this? What's in those bottles?
Soap.
Of course! To wash away the dirt, you need soap. Lots of soap. Look! What's that?
Foam.
More and more foam. Little cups. What do you need them for? The little owl is going to wash the woodpecker's wing. Hop Hop is using more and more soap on Peck Peck. More and more and more.
Like that.
And now he's washing off the foam with water from the cup. His wing is clean. Peck Peck is happy, but there's still some mud left.
Now for your head.
For some reason, the woodpecker doesn't want to wash his head. What a beautiful bottle! That's shampoo. You use it to wash your head. Hop Hop is taking some shampoo, and he's making a ball out of foam. Have a sniff and see how nice it smells. Nice, isn't it? Peck Peck is ready to wash his head.
Hey.
Rub, rub, rub. There's lots of foam on his head now. The woodpecker is washing his own head. It's so much fun. Peck Peck has got an orange hat made of foam on his head. But where has Hop Hop gone? Hop Hop! You've brought a watering can. You need to wash away the soapy foam off of his head. What's wrong? Are you scared? Wait a moment. Put on this visor, like a hat. Peck Peck looks like a little flower. No more water is going to get into his eyes, and now he really likes washing his head. You're all clean, Peck Peck. Now they can play with the foam. Hop Hop has made a big blue ball of foam. Goodbye, clean little birds.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. Do you hear that sound? That's the train coming out of the tunnel.
Choo-choo!
Hop Hop the owl is driving it. His toys are in the train's wagon. Peck Peck the woodpecker is waiting for his friend at the station. Hooray! The train's coming.
Hello!
Hello there, Hop Hop. Our woodpecker's been waiting for you. He really wants to go to the lake with his new toys. Everything into the bucket. The birds are heading there on the motorcycle. Put on your helmets.
Let's go!
There's the pier. Take your toys over there. That's a crab. Crabs are very good at moving from side to side.
Crab!
Oh, the crab's gone for a swim. Peck Peck's gone for a swim too. That's a lot of splashing.
Stop! It's deep over there.
It's not safe to go off into deep water if you can't swim. Let's take a look at the other toys in your bucket.
A starfish.
How many arms does it have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The starfish has gone for a swim. And the ray. And the blowfish. It looks like a ball. Peck Peck wants to get the crab. Little owl, what are you looking for? Ah, it's an inflatable ring. Our little woodpecker can use it to go swimming in the lake.
Wings up, please. Now you can swim.
Hop Hop's also put on a ring. Little birds, let's pick up our toys. That's one fish in the net.
The blowfish.
The ray.
The starfish.
Well done! What a wonderful trip to the lake this has been.
Let's sort our toys out.
The starfish, the swordfish, the blowfish. Somebody's missing. Do you know who? That's right! The crab! There's a butterfly on his head. Into the bucket you go, crab! We've let the air out of the swim rings. And we've put away the net. Did you pick up the ray? Ah, there it is, in the bucket. We can go. Till next time, little birds.